Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best drone for professional pozhotography available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best drone for professional pozhotography, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. Autel Robotics Evo Nano Plus. With a foldable design and weighing only 249 grams 8.8 ounces. The premium bundle version of the Evo Nano Plus drone is a go-anywhere, fit-anywhere solution that lets you easily take to the skies to capture pro-quality aerial images and video. The Nano Plus does this through a 1.28 CMOS sensor inside a 3-axis gimbal for images up to 50 MP and videos up to 4K 30p Ultra HD quality. Thanks to a dual PDAF plus CDAF autofocusing system, large aperture, and RIB color filter array, the camera can more easily keep fast-moving objects in focus and deliver low-light content with minimal noise. The Nano Plus has been designed to make it easy to capture cinematic content with 4 automatic shooting modes, automatic subject tracking, and a suite of video templates in the Autel Sky app. Even with all of this automation to make piloting easy, you're still in control with the included remote and Skylink, which transmits what the drone sees at a stunning 2.7K 30p resolution from up to 6.2 miles away. With up to 28 minutes of flight time, you can stay at a safe distance while capturing beautiful aerial footage of remote locations. Number 2. DJI Neo Mini Drone with 4K. Due to platform compatibility issue, the DJI Fly app has been removed from Google Play. DJI Neo must be activated in the DJI Fly app to ensure a better product usage experience. Please go to the DJI official website to download the app before use. Soar through breathtaking outdoor landscapes and explore stunning indoor scenes, ensuring everyone is included in the group photo. Discover a fresh perspective on everyday life with DJI Neo. The DJI Neo standard combo includes DJI Neo, a battery, propeller guard, bear, and more. The DJI Neo 2 battery combo adds more flexibility to your flight time. It includes DJI Neo, 2 batteries, propeller guard, bear, and more. The DJI 3 battery combo provides extended flight time with DJI Neo, 3 batteries, 2-way charging hub, propeller guard, bear, and more. Number 3. DJI Avatar 2 Fly More Combo. Due to platform compatibility issue, the DJI Fly app has been removed from Google Play. To ensure a better product usage experience, please log into the DJI official website to download the latest version of DJI Fly. Unlock adrenaline-pumping immersive flying, prompt visual feedback through goggles as if you were right there in the cockpit, enjoying a breathtaking perspective, pure thrill and total freedom. Effortlessly control the drone's movement with your hand, no complex buttons, just natural, easy movements, enabling even beginners to fly confidently and with ease. Perform jaw-dropping flips, rolls, 180 degrees drifts, and power loops without extensive training. Elevate your flying skills and capture awesome with ease. The 155 degrees FOV and ultra-sharp video bring you a unique experience, and the 1.3-inch image sensor helps you capture stunning 4K/60 FPS footage and 4K/100 FPS slow-motion video. Super sturdy. With integrated propeller guards, the drone is more robust and durable, allowing you to fly more freely in various scenarios. Lightweight and portable, the drone is ready to help capture high-quality POV content, and Lightcut app offers numerous templates to make your content creation a breeze. Number 4. Autel Evo Light Plus Premium Bundle. Flex your creativity with an adjustable aperture from f/2.8 f/11, giving you the ability to alter exposure and depth of field in imaginative ways that show off your unique artistic style. Equipped with a 1-inch CMOS image sensor and Autel's intelligent moonlight algorithm, the Evo Light Plus can capture crisp, vibrant details at night with low noise, even when the ISO is cranked up high. With HDR on, Light Plus will snap several photos at different exposures and automatically stitch them together, resulting in a photo with more contrast and dynamic range. Fly farther while maintaining crisp, clear visuals with Autel Skylink, our strongest image transmission system yet, which offers a transmission range of 7.4 miles, transmission quality of 2.7K/30 fps, and superior anti-interference capabilities, all while relaying stunning HD video. Fly faster, safer, and more confidently than ever before with Autel's new ultra-wide-angle obstacle avoidance cameras. The sensors give the Evo Light a front field of view of 150 degrees, eliminating more blind spots than traditional systems while reducing the number of cameras needed. The Light series is Autel Robotics' leading compact folding drone for professional and prosumer users. The drones have class-leading 40 minutes of flight time. Number 5. Drones with camera for adults 4K. The PL511 drone with camera features a 4K HD camera with a 120 degrees wide-angle lens and a 90 degrees adjustable lens. Combined with ultra-smooth FPV transmission, it offers an unparalleled immersive flying experience, capturing stunning 3840 by 2160p photos and 4K videos from any angle. The drones for adults is equipped with 3 powerful modular batteries, providing an impressive 45 minutes of long flight time. This allows your drone to soar freely in the sky, capturing and exploring more of your surroundings. The UL-certified batteries support up to 500 charge-discharge cycles and feature USB-C/PD charging for safer and faster charging. Additionally, the foldable design and dedicated storage case make it more convenient to take the RC drone outdoors, letting you easily and enjoyably experience the thrill of outdoor flight. Compared to brushed models, brushless drones offer longer lifespan, more powerful propulsion, and enhanced flight stability, allowing propellers to achieve higher speeds and further bolstering wind resistance. Additionally, integrated with optical flow positioning technology and altitude holding systems, the drone ensures stable hovering at desired heights, delivering outstanding performance across various environments. Pluggable 4K camera drone is tailored for beginners, and has a variety of interesting intelligence functions, equipped with security functions such as one-key takeoff, landing, headless mode, height maintenance, and overrange loss alarm, allowing you to fly carefreely. With emergency stop and 360 degrees flips function, 3 speed modes, high/medium/low, RC drone opened a seamless adventure experience. Whether you are a beginner or a skilled player, our drone can bring you a happy flight experience.